Coming up in today's video, I say good morning to a robot, I find a travelator that's come all the way from Keighley, I fall madly in love yet again with Yard House, turn my nose up at something, take a ride in a robot,
it's got some speed to it,
and drink yet more beer.
Vegans, is that the right word? Vegans know what to do. It's to theme a hotel. So there are plenty of really high-end casinos in Vegas, but some of the older ones, such as this, Circus, has got a bit of a reputation for being a bit run down. Can't be that bad, surely. I don't know if the video gives away the scale of this place. It's huge. How do places like this actually make any money? You know, there's nobody here. And of course they don't make any money really, do they? Because the whole place, the whole city just runs on credit. A bit like me. Thank you very much. So as we're walking through here, the one thing that strikes me is how quiet it is compared with all the other casinos that I've been to. It's a bit like Butlins. See what we can get out of this machine. Put $5 in. There we go. Doubled our money on a fiver. Now, I've never actually been in here, but this is one of the higher end resorts. So this is Resorts World, where there's Hilton, Conrad and Crockford's, which is a brand I've never really heard of. Cool little model. I love this carpet. I wonder if it'd go in my living room. So we're going to try and get a Zooks. It's a little automated taxi. I think it's free, which is unusual in Vegas. Probably have to tip somebody.
We hope you enjoy your ride.
This is Zooks. So this is an automated little taxi. I'm not even going to say driverless. It is driverless, but there isn't even a seat for a driver. So we are at the mercy of some kind of a robot. So all the cameras all the way around it are responding to the traffic. We've got no control over this. So if it pulls out into the path of a car, then we're just going to get T-boned, aren't we? It's got some speed to it, but it's super smooth. So welcome to my spiritual retreat here in Vegas. I mean, I'm just laid by the pool and this is where I'm going to stay all day. Now, I know there's a heat wave back in the UK and the temperature there is hotter than Satan's armpit, but I'd still rather be here. Because in Vegas you could just roll into the pool and you've got somebody bringing you drinks with pineapple stuck in it, whereas back in the UK, what do we get? A hosepipe ban? I might become radioactive, I might start glowing in the dark. You want me to start glowing in the dark? It's years since I swung a golf club, so let's go and see if I've still got any golf skills. I'm not sure if my back can take it.